A very good morning to Miss Y and my fellow classmates. My name is Samantha. So today the topic of my journal article review is the impact on students with part-time jobs. Because of the global economic crisis, part-time employment is high in demand these days. At the same time, these issues affects some students. So today the aim of this research paper is to study how part-time job has an effect on students. So, students with part-time jobs are most likely to gain more life experience according to this research paper. Part-time work entails developing an understanding of what students know and execute what they learn. Part-time employment also refers to a type of employment in which an employer pays employees by the hour of students' work during their free timetable when they do not have classes. So on to literature review 1. When working part-time jobs, students increase their life experience and work experience in a positive way. It has been recorded that students who work part-time jobs communicate more than students who don't have part-time jobs, and they face different types of problems every day. Hence, this will improve their working experience and also life experience. So, by working part-time jobs, students can gain skills that universities or schools that won't teach them. They will learn how to work as a team or on their own as well. They learn how to use their initiative to help develop a considerable attention to detail. Part-time jobs also provide opportunities to interact with different peoples every day. Like they say, they deal with a lot of problems every day. Also, they will be more aware of cultural differences in workplace. Having a work experience helps to add credibility to their CV, and also it helps to stand out amongst their peers. And when students graduate from universities, employers generally prefer to hire applicants with some form of work experience. Literature Review 2. Part-time job could affect students' academic performance. So students who work part-time usually go to work after school, and they usually work until night or even midnight. With this, students will get enough time to finish their homework, and the next day they will be too tired to even pay attention at class, and hence this will affect their academic performance. As we all know, college or universities has a lot of homework and research to do, and striking a balance between studying and working is not possible, but it's extremely hard. And with students stressing with the high amount of homeworks or assignments to do, this will also lead to a high chance of getting mental health problem. On to literature review 3. On to literature review number 3. So by working part-time jobs, students could earn extra pocket money and maintaining their own life. So becoming part-timers can afford living expenses such as maintaining one's own life, and family members can get extra pocket money and get the life they want. Students who make money on their own tend to spend it wisely. Part-time work is usually difficult, and hard-earned money is also difficult to share. So in short, students are more likely to save money on textbooks and rents. So students working part-time could also avoid not having enough money to pay for school fees or living costs. And working part-time also support students in the paying their fees or living costs. And also, they could save more monies for emergencies or lifestyle, keeping up with the payments, and also avoid students' loan. Onto methodology. So in this research, there are 120 students participated in this research, include male and female, using mainly in survey forms. And this research was conducted ethically. No biases were employed in the process. So the finding of this research, the result was that working part-time job has affected them positively, and working part-time job does not affect students' academic. As a result, students working part-time job has a positive impact on students. By working part-time jobs, students also can write their part-time job as a resume because it is very useful for students to conduct interviews. Next, usually based on this research, when interviewing students at work, they say that they have to be confident when they speak. So when students become promoters, it is good for them because it can persuade and interact with customers. And when students talk to people that they don't know, this can let them know how to control their fears. So to conclude, part-time work is common in all countries. And conclusion and reflection. So part-time work is common in all countries, and they can call it online work instead of an office or workplace. As a part-time worker, they can have their own living expenses, pay their own tuition fees, and support their own family. So students from work can gain experience in any field they want to go, master how to talk with others, and know how to speak fluently. Besides, students can also earn extra money, gain new skills. So in conclusion, part-time job has a positive impact on students. So in this research paper, I think it definitely helped me to understand the impact of part-time jobs on students. I definitely think it has a positive impact, and it does not affect students' academic. Students can balance out their work and study time, and I think part-time jobs can teach students a lot of new stuff like experience and new skills, all of that. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.